Hi there! Windows 11 is designed to be intuitive, but navigating it with shortcuts takes your efficiency to a whole new level. These 50 essential shortcuts aren't just about speed, they're about unlocking the full potential of your system. Let's dive in. Basic shortcuts for text and files. Ctrl+C. Need to copy something quickly, like a snippet of text or an important file? Ctrl+C makes it seamless. This is especially handy when you're gathering information, duplicating data across documents, or quickly organizing files without dragging and dropping. A core productivity tool for everyday tasks. Ctrl+V. After copying, pasting is the natural next step. Whether you're compiling reports, pasting links, or dropping copied files into another folder, Ctrl+V gets it done instantly. It's perfect for repetitive tasks, making your work feel smoother and less tedious. Ctrl+X. Rearranging content or moving files between folders. Ctrl+X lets you cut an item and relocate it without the hassle of dragging. For example, imagine you're reorganizing a messy desktop. Cut files and paste them into categorized folders in seconds. Ctrl+Z. Did you just delete something by accident, or maybe typed something wrong? Ctrl+Z is your immediate undo. It works everywhere, from documents to file managers, giving you confidence to experiment without fear of mistakes. Ctrl+Li. Quickly redo what you've just undone. It's simple and effective for when you're iterating on edits or reapplying formatting changes in documents. Ctrl+A. Imagine you're working with a huge text document or a folder filled with files. Instead of manually highlighting everything, Ctrl+A selects all content instantly. This shortcut is particularly useful when you're archiving files or applying bulk actions like deleting or copying. Ctrl+S. Working on a long report, an important design, or even a simple draft. Ctrl+S ensures you don't lose your progress. It's especially crucial during power outages or unexpected crashes. Think of it as your safety net. Tap it frequently while working. Ctrl+P. Need to quickly print something. Ctrl+P opens the print dialog in a second, letting you adjust settings and send your file to the printer without searching for print options in the menu. Perfect for last-minute documents or handouts. Ctrl+F. Have you ever been stuck searching through a long document or a web page? Ctrl+F pinpoints the exact word or phrase you need. For example, imagine you're reading a lengthy contract and need to locate all mentions of a specific term. This shortcut highlights them instantly. Ctrl+N. When multitasking, creating a new document, browser tab, or application window without interrupting your flow is key. Ctrl+N makes it easy to start fresh, whether you're drafting an email, opening a new spreadsheet, or starting research in your browser. Managing windows. Windows key plus D. Imagine you're in the middle of a busy work session with multiple apps open, but you need quick access to your desktop. Pressing Windows key plus D minimizes everything instantly, revealing your desktop. It's a great way to grab files or launch new apps without closing anything. Windows key plus M. Similar to Windows plus D, this shortcut minimizes all open windows but keeps focus on your taskbar. This is helpful when you want a clean view without disrupting your current workspace. Windows key plus Shift plus M. Need to pick up where you left off. This shortcut restores all minimized windows back to their original layout. Ideal for when you accidentally clear your desktop but don't want to reopen everything manually. Alt plus Tab. This is a lifesaver when multitasking. Press Alt plus Tab to instantly switch between open apps without needing to use the mouse. For example, if you're writing an email and need to reference a document, this shortcut lets you toggle between them in seconds. Windows key plus Tab. If you're managing multiple apps or virtual desktops, this shortcut opens the task view. It gives you an overview of everything you're working on, helping you switch tasks effortlessly or close unnecessary apps to stay organized. Windows key plus arrow keys. Organizing your screen is simple with this shortcut. Snap a window to the left or right, maximize it or minimize it. Perfect for comparing two documents side by side or focusing on a single task without distractions. Windows key plus E. Quickly access File Explorer to navigate your folders, search for files, or open external drives. This is one of the most versatile shortcuts for managing your files and organizing your workspace. Alt plus F4. Ready to wrap up for the day. Alt plus F4 closes the active window instantly. If no windows are open, it brings up the shutdown menu. A clean and quick way to exit applications or power down your PC. Virtual desktops. Windows key plus Control plus D. Virtual desktops are amazing for separating workspaces. This shortcut creates a new desktop, allowing you to divide tasks like personal browsing, work projects, and entertainment into different spaces. No more cluttered screens. Windows key plus Control plus arrow keys. Once you have multiple desktops, use this shortcut to switch between them seamlessly. For example, keep one desktop for focus-intensive tasks and another for meetings or casual browsing. Windows key plus Control plus F4, finished with a virtual desktop. Use this shortcut to close it instantly and merge its open apps back into the previous desktop. It's a clean way to manage your workflow without leaving loose ends. Screenshots. Windows key plus Shift plus S. Whether you're creating a tutorial, saving a recipe, or troubleshooting an issue, this shortcut opens the snipping tool. You can capture a specific part of the screen, making it perfect for sharing precise information. Windows key plus print screen. Need a full screen screenshot? This shortcut takes one instantly and saves it to your screenshots folder. It's great for creating a record of your screen without interrupting your flow. Navigation and system management. Windows key plus I. Quickly open the Settings app to adjust system preferences, manage devices, or update Windows. Ideal for making changes without searching through the Start menu. Windows key plus R. Open the Run dialog box to quickly launch programs or files by typing their name. Perfect for advanced users and admins who know specific commands. Control plus Shift plus S. Launch the Task Manager instantly to monitor app performance and unresponsive tasks, or check system resource usage. Essential for troubleshooting. Windows key plus L. Lock your PC instantly to secure it when stepping away. Perfect for shared workspaces or when privacy is a priority. Windows key plus X. Open the Quick Link menu for fast access to system tools like Device Manager, Disk Management, or Power Options. Windows key plus P. Manage display settings for multiple monitors. Quickly switch between duplicate, extend, or second screen only modes for presentations or multitasking. Clipboard and emoji panel. Windows key plus V. Access the clipboard history to view and paste multiple copied items. Ideal for working on complex documents or projects requiring repeated references. Control plus Shift plus V. Paste content without formatting. Great for integrating copied text into documents with consistent style. Windows key plus, period. Open the emoji panel to quickly add emojis, symbols, or special characters into your messages or documents. Fun and functional. Accessibility and utilities. Win plus plus or. Zoom in and out using the magnifier tool. This is particularly useful for presentations, assisting users with visual impairments or examining fine details on screen. Win plus 8. Activate voice typing and dictate text into a document. Great for hands-free typing or brainstorming ideas quickly. Win plus A. Open the Action Center to adjust brightness, volume, or access quick toggles like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Perfect for fine-tuning settings without opening the full Settings app. Win plus N. Open the Notification Center and Calendar. Ideal for staying on top of reminders and checking upcoming events. Win plus G. Open the Xbox game bar for screen recording, performance monitoring, or taking quick screenshots. Perfect for gamers or content creators. Win plus K. Connect to a wireless display or Bluetooth device, like external speakers or a second monitor. Win plus Pause. Open system properties to view device information, including hardware specs and performance details. Whether you're organizing your workflow, snapping windows, or navigating with ease, these shortcuts are designed to save you time and effort. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which shortcut is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.